to what is essentially the virgin corner of my bedroom. My happy place. We're gonna start from here and work our way around. Let's go. I do want to see if you guys can guess who my bias is by the end of this, and also let me know who your bias is. I've been seeing tons of people with Hyuga and Taehyun biases lately, and it just warms my heart. First up here is a calendar that came with the day by day thingamajigger. Whoa. Wow, Hyuga model. Also, it's not K-pop, but I just want to point out how adorable this book is. I just leave it sit here because it's so cute. Then we have my Yoongi Picket from the Permission to Dance concerts that yes, I went to. The merch line was so freaking long. Yoongi! It was so freaking long, but Geraldine wanted merch. Literally 2 people fainted. This was in Las Vegas in the heat. We were standing there. There was like, there's no shade, no nothing. They have like fans on either side, but no difference that made. Geraldine wanted a JK picket, and the person was like, oh, sorry, we're sold out of every picket except for Yoongi. We have a ton of Yoongi pickets left. And I was like, I couldn't just leave him there. So I got him, and every time he looked our direction during the concert, I was like, I forgot how low the ceiling was. I'm gonna break everything. I never touch anything for this reason. Needless to say, he probably noticed me, because who wouldn't notice some lunatic waving your face at yourself? This is probably my first K-pop purchase ever. Oh, it's dusty. Ew. Ew. I'm exposing myself right now. I am so sorry. That's so gross. That is disgusting. I need to cut this part out. This is embarrassing. Anyway, I think I spent like, this was at least $60 just to sit here and look pretty, which it does very well. Here is a beautiful photo of my faves. Here is my second calendar, 2-year calendar, double the, I'm excited for June. Double the value. We got the little magnets here. So cute. This is also from the day by day. Honestly, why didn't I dust before this so that I don't look disgusting? I don't know. Here are my only 2 light sticks that I own. My Moa Bong, which I keep here. Army Bomb is stored for later usage. Excuse me while I degrossify this area a little bit. We have my albums. Whoa. Okay, I can't. The only albums I have are TXT. Since I don't have a lot of extra money, I currently only have my own. The only albums I have is the very first one, then all the Thursday's Child albums, all, 8 versions of them, and then I have all 9 versions of the Temptation album. This is the 9th one, this little tiny one that they started doing. I also have, don't look at my drawer, it's a mess. 3 more Thursday's Child albums that my mom got me for Christmas. She literally bought me the only albums that I already had at the time, which was really funny. But I got a Yeonjun photo card out of it, so I'm happy. I'm probably gonna sell these, but I'm really new to K-pop and I don't really know how that works. Like, are people actually interested in buying albums that have been opened and don't have the inclusions in them? Or are missing some of the inclusions? I only took the postcards and the photo cards out. I also have this little mini. Oh my goodness. Stop looking at the dust, please. Little, yay. I just realized that last night I dreamt that I had another size. There was like an in-between size. And now I'm realizing that it was in fact a dream. That's sad. And then my Moa Bong. I'm gonna teach you some things because people don't know some things about this. This button is how you change the pulsing. This is the Find MOA option. We all knew these things, right? But if you hold this button down, it changes. And then without the app, okay? Look at this. Changing the color. Wow. Who'd have thunk? I've had this light stick for over a year and I just learned that last month. Apparently you can also sync it with other Moa Bongs, so they're all changing color at the same time. Then we're gonna go back up here to my beautiful pictures. I know, it's just the 3 oldest, the elders, but I didn't have room for all of them, or like I did, but then I would have had to like move. It would have been awkward. So Hyung line plus Hwangkyu. And then I have my magnets here. So it evens out, okay? Don't come for me. And then this beautifulness, which like is pretty basic MOA. I feel like everyone has this. I was so ready to replace this with my like Daydream poster because Keep in mind, first albums I ever got was the Thursday's Child. I ordered all of them, so they sent me like all the inclusions. So I thought this was normal. I thought I would be getting full-size posters with every comeback. So you can imagine how disappointed I was to get a folded up poster about this size. People always comment on my TikTok videos and are like, how did you get this? So where did the folds go? So I'll teach you. Oh no. Oh no. Oh wait, where is it? Did I move it? I just did that for no reason. Where else would I have put it? 1 second. Okay, I was about to start freaking out. It is in there. It's just hiding. The secret is I did nothing. It came in a tube. This is how I was expecting my I'm upset. It's fine though. It's fine. My eye's twitching. So much stress. Look what I just did. Look what why? 10 seconds hiding. Okay. Moving on. In this corner here, I just have a bunch of like language learning, like Korean books, all these. I have some Japanese textbooks too. Oh, my light stick. My lights, I'm marking everything. My light stick bag thing. Okay, let me show you. This is gonna be me going to the concert at the end of this month in like literally 3 weeks. Why is it so hard to open? It's a little dusty too. You have space for your little light stick. When I say little, I mean some people didn't know this either, and I'm so confused. You literally, I mean it's very difficult sometimes, but perfect travel size. Put extra batteries in here. I don't know if you're even allowed to take this into the concert though. We'll see. I'll show you. I'm gonna be vlogging the whole thing because in America, where they have very little gun laws, I'm pretty sure you have to bring see-through bags. Anyway, then up here we have, this is basically a K-pop store at this point. Day by Day, Season's Greetings. Then we have the Midsummer. I don't even know what all these things are, but they come out with them every year and I'm like, I somehow convinced myself not to buy what just came out, like the deco kit, because I'm not gonna use them. Because when I get stickers, I'm like, these are too precious. My battery died and I don't remember where I was. Also, I just checked the Weaver shop for funsies, you know, for funsies, and it turns out the deco kit is sold out and I wanted to cry. Regrets? I don't know. Money I have, but do I have the deco kit? No. So, but I realized that I forgot a really important thing. We got gold sound check tickets for Permission to Dance VIP. That's me. This was wow.
You got this. You got this. You got this. It's fine. It's fine.
No. This is how Yoongi was able to see me when I was doing all that. I also forgot to mention that it was Geraldine who bought me the BTS light stick. Thank you, Geraldine. I also really want a carrot bomb. And I went to 17's concert. And that's my biggest regret. I'm just so cheap, which you wouldn't think, but TXT is my weak spot. Anyway, we were up here somewhere. This is gorgeous. Every picture from that, gorgeous. As you can see. Wow. We got a little Bumgyu, baby Bumgyu. This is from very first album that didn't come with actual photo cards. I was so upset and the album was so confusing. I don't like it. But I mean, this is basically just packaging, but it is my Shooky mug box that was too pretty to throw away. And it is currently holding all of a stack of PCs. Whoa, that's heavier than I thought. All my PCs are in there. I'm really wanting to actually organize my PCs and put them all in a cute little binder. Then I have my sad boys from Thursday's Child era. I have all this decorated too. Oh, I forgot to show you this. Okay, so this is from the Midsummer. We got some Kpop Compared. We got some Nightmare. Then we have, oh, I forgot to show you. I just finished making this rug. I punch needled it and it is now the Happy Fools. Happy. That's the rest of the song posters. Temptation album. I'm breathing so heavy right now. I'm sad boys. Then we've got these cute photos. They're from the Day by Day Season's Greetings. This is a sticker, a Temptation sticker. And then I've got my Temptation Lullaby. I didn't actually talk about the albums, okay? I really love the Temptation albums. They're so pretty because they're storybooks, because it's all like fairy tale Peter Pan themed. And I love that. I love the whole theme of this comeback. Then I have my paper craft from the Thursday's Child album. I did some TikToks on this trying to make it. I think this was my third attempt. Since I had 3 of the main albums, I was able to attempt it 3 times. I think it took all 3 times. So out of breath. This is also from the Day by Day. There was all like film headshot concept for one of the concepts. And then this is Day by Day as well, because it was a more chill concept. I love the more chill concept. This is so cute. That is adorable. This will not stay on. Also, Omkyu holding Hyuka. Thursday's Child sticker. This is so cute. This is from the Midsummer. Wait, I have to show you a photo card from that album. You're gonna love it. Or not album, from the... Is it a season's greeting? Season of TXT. I don't know what it is. It came with this tin. Oh, but it won't be in there. I have all my most prized PCs in here, because I don't have any covers on them. Every time I show anyone a PC, they're like, wow, look at that. Orange pumpkin. It's got, wow. They came with this, so I'm able to touch it. But anyway, I definitely need to organize. And I have some really cool PCs, so if you want to see them, let me know. I will gladly talk about TXT for hours. That's basically all I have in here. Moving on. I also have like a book of BT21 little notes. Do I have, yeah, like little notes things somewhere. And it's a to-do list. To-do. It's very fitting. Ooh, good boy, come bad. Good boy, come bad. Sad pumpkin. And then I also haven't put this up yet. But it's gonna go like there somewhere. Daydream. I want to put up the posters, but they're so crinkly. But like, I have a whole empty wall here. Please try to convince me to fill it. Like, I'm like, no, this is my corner. I'm gonna stick to my corner, and I'm not letting myself expand further. But it wouldn't take much to convince me. And they're only gonna have more albums. Huh? Huh? Imagine me putting up Edward Scissorhand concept. What would my landlord think? As you can see, I put tape on it already. I was gonna put it up. Hello? But it's just so dark. It didn't really fit with my room's aesthetic. Like, look how nice that is. It's so beautiful. I don't think anything will top that. I really thought that Daydream would, but again, posters were a disappointment. What's your favorite Temptation song? Mine's Happy Fools. Either version. I love both. I just want the new version to be on Spotify. I'm continuing to wear this. I don't care. This is my projector. I'm counting this as merch because this entire wall is my screen. I can watch all my music videos, every to-do episode. I'm gonna link it below because people always ask where I got it from. It's from Amazon, and I just checked and it's literally like $100 cheaper than when I first bought it. I lied, I only spent $280 on it. It must have been on sale when I got it too. I'm also going to count this as merch. Let me explain. Yes, this is anime. I was gonna do a whole anime wall, and then I kind of stopped watching anime because that's how I watch it hardcore for like a few months, and then I don't watch anything at all for a few months. So I never finished it. And now it's just gonna be taken over by more TXT. These are my blue hour wall hangings that I made. Anyway, I'm counting this because Subin and Hyuka are into anime. And it makes me happy that I have, well, I don't really know what they watch, but I do have some Jujutsu Kaisen on there. It is probably the least of everything that I have on there, but it's on there somewhere. Somewhere. I was looking for it the other day, but I cannot. Hello? I don't see it. If you can see it, comment down below so that people know that I'm not lying. It's on there. Maybe it's behind things. Anyway, moving on. We got some cute... Oh, well, there we go. Jujutsu Kaisen right there. My brother's girlfriend made this and this. She has a shop. I will link it down below. She makes super cute things. My sister gave me these like Japanese things. I don't know who made them. Geraldine got me this from one of those... the like gacha machines? Is that what they're called? I don't remember. I don't know. Also, speaking about how cute and adorable things my brother's girlfriend has made, she made me this for Christmas. It's Shuki, and she didn't even know I was into TXT or that TXT even existed, I think. But she somehow matched my keychain, my TXT keychain, perfectly. Like, this is the exact same color. Or it was the exact same color before my keychain got kind of gross. But yeah, it's super cute. I also have a couple pens. I have Shuki. This is my favorite pen. Oh, hello. This is my favorite pen. And I tried so hard to replace the ink. It's not focusing because it ran out of ink. Watch this. I spell hello wrong. Are you kidding me? Hello? It's purple, which is amazing, but this actually doesn't fit the pen. So like it can't do the thing. And there's purple ink like literally all over every single pen because it's just like filled at the bottom of that. Anyway, I got the wrong size of refills. If anyone knows what size those take, it really doesn't matter because I have a bajillion of the purple ones and I have to use those. I also have cookie and shuki. Oh, I also have long punch needle thing that I made. Ooh, so soft. It's my first project. It's a little bit seepy. Speaking of projects I've made, I also have the Farewell Neverland song poster, punch needle wall hanging. It's kind of messy, but it's fine. I've come to I didn't realize it was in close-up mode. Here we are. This is probably the only merch that I got in Los Angeles. And it's not even really BTS merch. It's just the In the Soup little mascot thing. I've never even watched any episodes of the In the Soup series of any group. It's just so cute and I couldn't not. It's actually a piggy bank. I thought it was just a decoration, but it's a piggy bank too. So what else do I have? I'm not just going around finding things that I have every which way. I'm using this as a stand right now, but I have a BT21 jigsaw puzzle, which I love. It's so cute. I have a Shuki coaster, beautiful. I have a Shuki plushie. It's not official merch, but it is adorable. Also not official merch, but I have a Shuki sleeping mask. I don't use sleeping masks. I don't know. My mom got me that. This, I will for all intents and purposes count as Yeonjun merch. It's a nightlight, but it's not, I need to charge it. But it is adorable. Just trust that it looks so super cute and you just squish it and it turns on. I'm also gonna count these as Taehyun merch. You can't tell me it's not. Ah, oh, I just dented the wall. Ha ha ha. I have a BT21 tote bag. Then I have this hat. It's also reversible. I don't really like this hat. I also have this hat. Oh wow. What a... this hat. And I think that's everything. I'm actually sad now because I've really enjoyed this because usually, like, who else am I gonna talk to about all this? Like, I've shown my mom after putting this up literally for the first month, every single time I FaceTimed her, I was like, look at my poster. Have you seen my poster? Look how beautiful this is. She doesn't care. It's beautiful. Anyway, this will probably be a yearly thing because I'm assuming it'll expand. Please convince me to put things on this wall. My thought process is like, oh, well, I don't want people to think like K-pop is my whole personality and like that I'm a loser and whatever. But like those things are true, so why fight it? Let's just I feel like it would have been very hard for you to guess who my bias is because I didn't really hint at it at all. But whoever guesses it gets a cookie. Emoji. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed because I truly did.